Hello everyone, I'm Fathan Dhafin W. I'm from 11th grade social 1. I will make a text procedure video about how to operate to computer. How to use a computer. Computer is a very useful electronic device for humans. With computer, humans' work become easier. And the step to use a computer. First, check the power cable of CPU and monitor. Are it plugged in the wall socket? If it's not plugged into it. After that, turn on the monitor and CPU with click the power button. Monitor will on and CPU will enter booting phase. After booting phase complete, the Windows view will appear. After complete, close all applications and click Windows button. Click power icon and click shutdown. Computer will automatically off. That's all from me. Sorry if there is a wrong word. Thank you.